Hey guys, welcome back to another frequently asked questions video, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can basically use your referral code on Shein. So once you log into Shein, guys, come to the bottom right here. Okay, bottom right, click on me, and then what you want to do is come here and click on coupons. Okay, so usually if you want to use a referral code, you would have to sign up with that code. You click on the link and sign up, but otherwise another alternative would be to come to coupons and you would get some sign up coupons. Okay, these are new coupons you get when you're signing up. For example, 20% off on orders about $50. So anything above $50 you get 20% off, and the discount is capped at $40, and the other offers as well they're giving us. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, guys, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.